Introducing the skyVac Internal 30, specifically designed for inaccessible out-of-reach internal areas. With a single motor of 1000 watts and 3,800 litres per minute airflow, this vacuuming system is the perfect machine for rapidly removing dust and debris from environments such as shopping centres, large offices, universities, hospitals, libraries and schools. The skyVac Internal 30 has a 37 litre capacity and is complete with a built-in trolley and fitted basket. Included as standard is the skyVac Internal 30 vacuum, a variety of brushes and tool holders, 5 filter bags, a skyVac pole and accessory bag, a 38mm hose and a user manual, along with your choice of poles.